How hard is it to buy a silencer? So,
Yeah, this is something you're more of an expert in. You've been following this chain of events that's happened. So, how easy is it to buy a suppressor right now, Spencer?
so the short answer is it's very easy. The long answer is it's very easy compared to how it used to be. The current process is that you can go into any gun store that sells NFA items such as suppressors, and a good deal of them have access to a kiosk that can take your fingerprints digitally, take a picture of you, and submit all of this information digitally, which gets sent to the ATF, and they process it using computers very quickly. 1 day turnarounds are not unheard of now.
Hmm.
7 to 10, even 30-day turnarounds are pretty reasonable.
Right. Because it
That
used
is
to be
compared
like
to,
6 months, a year.
no, it used to be much more. So the old
Okay.
process was you'd have to go into your local gun store, buy the silencer. So you'd have to pay, let's say it was $500. You pay $500 plus the $200 tax stamp. Then you would have to go, or I'm sorry, before that, you would have to submit fingerprints and passport photos and fill out all the information, then pay the $200 tax. Then they would mail in the forms, and they had a thing called NFAtracker.com, which would track all the NFA transactions in the country. The average for a long time was like 10 months. There was some that were 2 years, there were some that were 6 months, but there was very, very few that were below that. Occasionally, a military guy might have like some sort of special request and they would push it through. But by and large, it was a year. A year was basically what you were supposed to count
Yeah.
on. So it's
I
much,
mean,
much, much easier.
yeah, it's kind of the reason why like suppressed pistol shooting, I don't think ever really has been as popular as it is now.
Yeah. And with silencers are not inexpensive. They've always been expensive due to supply and demand, right?
Hmm.
If the product is really hard to get, the demand is kind of low, and so the prices are going to be high. Now that
Right.
demand is absolutely through the roof, prices are going to go down.